Can you really earn $140 per month just by sharing your internet? That's what the iproyal Porn's website says, and we're going to discover in this quick review of the site exactly what iproyal Porns is and how you can go and join for free and how you can possibly earn up to $140 per month just by sharing your internet. Okay, so what is iproyal Porns? So let's go through the website and check out exactly what you've got to do to go and start earning up to $140 per month on a passive income. Now this is how it works. If you've got to download the app and then install it on the devices you wish to use and then connect them to the internet. You then obviously have to run the iproyal Porns app, which securely shares your internet connection with no access to your personal data at all. Okay, and then step 3 is they use your internet connection to gather bits of information from the internet, and you can then check the business cases and to see a more detailed explanation. So if we click on business cases here, it goes into a little bit more details about how they use that information, etc. And then the fourth way is that companies use the gathered bits for various services. Now, how much can you actually earn by using the iproyal app? Okay, so how much can you actually earn? Well, your earnings depend on the amount of traffic. Obviously, I'm in the Great Britain, so as it says here, you share and how long you keep the application running on the iproyal network. So as long as you stay online, you could earn up to $140 per month. Now, that's what they're saying, but also underneath, they're saying, however, our users can earn from $5 to $140 per month on average, just for keeping their app active. You can actually right now get paid 20 cents per 1 gigabyte you share. Now that is actually a good rate. I've done videos about things like Honeygain before, and you've also got things like the Crypto Tab browser, which you can obviously use passively as well to earn money. And these work in a very similar way as well, but with the Honeygain, you only get 10 cents per 1 gigabyte of internet shared. Now, I've had Honeygain running in the background for a little while, and I've made quite a few payments out. So check out my videos on Honeygain as well if you want to know more about that too. And I'll put a link in the description to all these, the iproyal.com, Honeygain, the Crypto Tab browser as well. Check out all my videos I've done on these and the payment proofs, and you'll be able to see exactly how much you're more likely to earn. As you can see here, the iproyal is built on 3 core pillars: security, safety, and privacy. So you don't have to worry about anything of your data or anything being hacked into, because it is totally secure. So I've been using similar apps such as the Crypto Tab browser and Honeygain for a while now, had no problems whatsoever. And if you go down to the FAQs here, so how much can you earn? On this, we've obviously gathered that you can actually earn up to $140 per month just by installing the app. But just check out this here. You can utilize our referral program to invite your friends. So you get 10% of their earnings as well. So as well as you earning from your devices, you can also earn from other people as well. And this will obviously bump your earnings up quite considerably if you refer quite a few people. So what is the minimum payout? Now the minimum payout here is $5 earned, okay, which is again a lot easier than Honeygain. You have to get to $20 to withdraw with Honeygain. How can you actually get paid out? Well, yeah, obviously you can get paid out via PayPal or Bitcoin. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways you can do that. A lot of people are using these sort of apps to work passively in the background to earn Bitcoin, guys. And then they obviously then can hold the Bitcoin and it will go up in value. So they're actually making money in 2 ways there. The age limit to this app actually depends on the country you live. So we advise that you check what that is, and if you are underage, you might want to get your parents or guardians' permission to actually use the iproyal pawns. Now, how do you actually go and obviously check it out? Obviously, just click on the Start Now button here. And then you can actually just sign up. So click on the sign up button here. And if you've obviously got an account, you can just log in here. And it's very, very quick and easy to do. You just click on the login, and this takes you through to your dashboard. And as you can see here, I've started to earn passively already. Just by signing up, guys, you're going to get a $1 balance to begin with. So straight away, you're up and running. And then this will literally just run in the background, and you don't have to worry about it at all. So if you click on download here, if you haven't already done it, and then you can just download to whichever system you've actually put it on. I've obviously downloaded it to Windows, but you could do it to the Android Play Store as well. Now you can obviously just head over to Google Play there and obviously download and install the app if you wish on your mobile as well. So that's another way, and you can have this on various different devices. The more devices you have, obviously, the more ways you're going to actually, more passive income you're going to actually earn. And that's how you're going to probably get up to the figures around $140 per month, is if you're going to obviously use it on various different devices and also refer loads of people, because then you're going to get a passive income from their earnings as well. So like I say, definitely check out the iproyal pawns, and also if you haven't already, make sure you check out Honeygain as well. That's another great site, and also the crypto tab browser. You can run all of these sites on your computers and your laptops and your mobile devices as well, and you can then earn passively in the background. All of them you can actually take out cryptocurrency, and obviously Honeygain as well as the iproyal you can actually pull out in PayPal as well. So remember, I'll leave links to all of these down below to make it easier for you to go and obviously start down using these particular apps. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.